Today, we bring you the ultimate guide to attending AEW All In, one of the biggest live wrestling events of all time, happening at Wembley Stadium in London on August 27, 2023. If you're traveling to the event from outside the UK, we've got you covered. Tony Khan is pulling out all the stops, bringing a star-studded lineup that includes fan favorites like CM Punk, the Young Bucks, Bryan Danielson, Saraya, and the Cleaner, Kenny Omega. Tip 1. Plan your route from the airport. When it comes to attending AEW All In, it's essential to plan your travel arrangements well in advance. Book your flights early to secure the best deals and ensure you arrive in London with plenty of time to spare. Consider flying into either Heathrow or Gatwick Airport, the two major international airports serving the city. London City Airport is even closer. From there, you can easily access various transportation options to make your way to the iconic Wembley Stadium. Tip 2. Navigate the London Underground. The London Underground, also known as the Tube, is a convenient and efficient way to navigate the city. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the Tube map and plan your routes accordingly. The closest station to Wembley Stadium is Wembley Park, so be sure to choose accommodations in proximity to this station for easy access to the event. Tip 3. Explore London's landmarks. While you're in London for AEW All In, take some time to explore the city's iconic landmarks. Visit Buckingham Palace, witness the changing of the guard ceremony, and marvel at the grandeur of the Tower Bridge. Don't miss the opportunity to stroll through the historic British Museum and discover its vast collection of art and artifacts. London is a city rich in history and culture, and immersing yourself in its wonders will add an extra layer of excitement to your trip. Tip 4. Visit Forbidden Planet London Megastore. Make sure to include a visit to the legendary Forbidden Planet London Megastore in your itinerary. Located at 179 Shaftesbury Avenue, this iconic store is a mecca for all things pop culture. Dive into a treasure trove of AEW memorabilia, action figures, comics, and collectibles. Whether you're a fan of CM Punk, Kenny Omega, or any other AEW superstar, you'll find a good selection of merchandise to satisfy your wrestling cravings. Tip 5. Arrive early at Wembley Stadium. To make the most of your AEW All In experience, it's crucial to arrive early at Wembley Stadium. The atmosphere leading up to the event is electrifying, and being there from the start allows you to soak it all in. Explore the surroundings, find your bearings, and get a feel for the excitement that fills the air. Tip 6. Attend the Progress Wrestling event the day before. UK-based promotion Progress Wrestling has announced an exciting event called It's Clobbin' Time, taking place on Saturday, August 26 at the Electric Ballroom in London, England. This event promises to be a thrilling night of action-packed wrestling, and recently they announced the addition of the incredible Davey Boy Smith Jr. to the lineup. The Progress Wrestling event is part of a double-header with Defy Wrestling, adding even more excitement to the weekend. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to enjoy two back-to-back events and immerse yourself in the world of professional wrestling. Tip 7. Try London's best fish and chips. No trip to London would be complete without savouring the iconic British dish, fish and chips. Just a stone's throw away from Wembley Stadium, you'll find the Golden Fry, a local favourite known for serving mouth-watering fish and chips. Tip 8. Look out for the What Culture Wrestling crew. Host. Keep your eyes peeled for the What Culture Wrestling crew outside Wembley Stadium, including the ever-entertaining Simon Wilson for Ups and Downs. What Culture Wrestling has been a prominent source of wrestling content, and spotting their crew can add an extra level of excitement to your AEW All In experience. It's an excellent opportunity to connect with fellow wrestling fans and immerse yourself in the vibrant wrestling community. Tip 9. Attend the AEW FanFest Welcome Party. Before the main event, make sure to take advantage of the AEW FanFest Welcome Party, happening on Saturday, August 26, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. This exclusive event is available as an add-on when purchasing your AEW All In tickets. Immerse yourself in the world of AEW and get up close and personal with your favorite stars. Enjoy meet and greets, autograph signings, photo opportunities, and interactive experiences. It's the perfect opportunity to connect with fellow fans, get insider insights, and create unforgettable memories leading up to the big event. Tip 10. Celebrate at the Torch Pub. After the adrenaline-pumping AEW All In event, take some time to unwind and reflect on the unforgettable moments at the Torch Pub. This top-rated pub, situated near Wembley Stadium, provides the perfect ambience to relax and celebrate the night's excitement. Enjoy a refreshing craft ale, indulge in delicious pub grub, and engage in passionate wrestling conversations with fellow fans. It's the ideal way to cap off your AEW experience in London. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for AEW fans traveling from the US to attend AEW All In at Wembley Stadium in London. From planning your travel to exploring the city's landmarks, visiting wrestling-specific stores, and enjoying the event itself, we've covered it all. Get ready for an extraordinary experience filled with electrifying matches, fan interactions, and unforgettable moments. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have an incredible time at AEW All In.